Hello everyone! Welcome to the Business and Other Stories channel. You're here because you're an entrepreneur, a hustler, someone who doesn't settle for the ordinary. Today we are going to talk about how to create a small business in the United States. We're talking nuts and bolts, actionable steps to turn that dream into a reality. Join us as we guide you step by step through the process. Let's get started. Alright entrepreneurs, before you even think about logos, websites, or pitching investors, we need to pump the brakes and talk strategy. You wouldn't build a house on shaky ground, would you? First things first, you gotta know your battlefield, the market. Who are you going to war for? Who are you going to crush? That's right, competition. Don't be scared of it, study it. Know their strengths, their weaknesses, their prices, their marketing. Become obsessed with your customer and your competition. Next up, what problem are you solving? What's the pain point that keeps your ideal customer up at night? Your product or service needs to be the solution they've been searching for. And don't just guess, ask them. Get out there. Talk to potential customers, understand their needs, their desires, their frustrations. This isn't just about filling out a business plan template and calling it a day. This is about immersing yourself in the trenches, getting your hands dirty, and really understanding the battlefield you're about to dominate. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the business world, information is your ammunition. So put in the work, do the research, and build that unshakable foundation for your business.
Okay, entrepreneurs, now that you've done your research and you're practically swimming in market data, it's time to put that knowledge to work and build your battle plan, the business plan. Now, I know what you're thinking. Gary, business plans are boring. I just want to get out there and hustle. And you know what? You're right, they can be boring. But here's the thing. A well-structured business plan is the compass that guides your ship. It's the roadmap that keeps you on track, the blueprint for success. Think of it as your entrepreneurial GPS, guiding you through the twists and turns of building a business. First things first, define your vision. Where do you see your business in 5, 10, even 20 years? What's the big, hairy, audacious goal that gets you fired up in the morning? Write it down, make it crystal clear. This is your North Star. Next, break down your business into its core components. What are your products or services? How will you reach your target market? Who are your key partners and suppliers? What's your revenue model? These are the building blocks of your business, and you need to have a solid understanding of each one. Now let's talk numbers. Don't worry, you don't need to be a math whiz to create a solid financial forecast. Start with your startup costs. How much money will you need to get your business off the ground? Then project your revenue and expenses for the next 3 to 5 years.
All right, entrepreneurs, we're done with the research and planning phase. Congrats. Now let's talk legal structures. This might sound about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me, choosing the right legal structure for your business is crucial. We're talking about protecting your assets, minimizing your tax liability, and setting yourself up for success. In the US, you've got options: sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, S Corp, C Corp. It can feel like alphabet soup. Each structure comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages, so you need to choose the one that aligns with your business goals and risk tolerance. Let's break it down. A sole proprietorship is like the solopreneur's best friend. It's easy to set up, you're the boss, and you've got complete control. But here's the catch. You and your business are legally the same entity. That means you're personally liable for all your business debts. Next up, partnerships. Got a partner in crime? Someone you trust as much as your morning coffee? A partnership might be a good fit. You share the workload, the profits, and yes, the liability. But remember, communication is key. Make sure you're on the same page from day one to avoid any conflicts down the road. Now, let's talk LLCs, limited liability companies. This is where things start to get interesting. An LLC combines the flexibility of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation.
All right, entrepreneurs, you've done your research, crafted your business plan, and chosen the perfect legal structure for your venture. Now it's time to make it official. Register your business. This is where your dream starts to take concrete form, where you transition from aspiring entrepreneur to bona fide business owner. First things first, you need to choose a business name. This is your brand, your identity in the marketplace. It's got to be catchy, memorable, and reflect the essence of your business. Once you've landed on the perfect name, make sure it's available in your state and register it. Next up, you'll need to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. Think of it as your business's social security number. You'll use it to open a bank account, file taxes, and hire employees. Now, depending on your business structure and your state's requirements, you might need to file additional paperwork. For example, if you're forming a corporation or LLC, you'll likely need to file articles of incorporation or organization with your state government. Don't let the paperwork bog you down.
You've registered your business, you're officially official, but hold your horses before you start printing those business cards. We need to talk about licenses and permits. I know, more paperwork, right? But trust me, this step is crucial to ensure you're operating legally and ethically. The licenses and permits you need will depend on your business type, location, and industry. Some businesses, like restaurants or construction companies, typically require more permits than others, like online businesses or freelance writers. Start by checking with your city, county, and state government websites. They usually have comprehensive lists of required licenses and permits for different industries. The SBA website is another great resource for this information.
All right, entrepreneurs, it's time to talk about money. Specifically, separating your hard-earned cash from your business finances. Trust me, opening a dedicated business bank account is one of the smartest moves you can make as a new business owner. First and foremost, it's about professionalism and credibility. Imagine handing a client an invoice with your personal checking account details. Not exactly the most professional look, right? A business bank account adds legitimacy to your operation and shows your clients and partners that you're serious about your business. But more importantly, it's about protecting yourself and your personal assets. Remember when we talked about choosing the right legal structure? Well, even if you formed an LLC or corporation, commingling personal and business funds can pierce that corporate veil and put your personal assets at risk. A separate business bank account makes it easier to track your income and expenses, which is crucial for accurate bookkeeping and tax preparation. Plus, it can simplify your lifetime tax time. No more sifting through personal transactions to identify business expenses.
All right, entrepreneurs, let's talk numbers. No, not the exciting kind that show your skyrocketing profits, although we'll get there. I'm talking about accounting, the backbone of any successful business. Now, before you click away thinking this is another boring topic, trust me, this is crucial. Good accounting isn't about crunching numbers in a dark room. It's about gaining clarity, making informed decisions, and ultimately maximizing your profits. It's about understanding where your money is coming from, where it's going, and how you can optimize your cash flow to fuel growth. First things first, choose an accounting method that aligns with your business needs. Cash basis accounting is like tracking your cash flow in real time, recording income when you receive it and expenses when you pay them. Accrual accounting, on the other hand, matches your income and expenses with the period in which they were earned or incurred, regardless of when the cash actually changes hands.
All right, entrepreneurs, you've got your product or service ready to go. You've got your legal ducks in a row and your finances are in order. Now it's time to shout it from the rooftops. It's time to talk marketing, baby. But before you start blasting your message on every social media platform, we need a strategy. Remember, marketing isn't just about spending money on ads. It's about connecting with your target audience, building relationships, and ultimately, driving sales. First things first, who are you trying to reach? Define your target audience with laser precision. What are their demographics, interests, pain points, and aspirations? The more you understand your ideal customer, the better you can tailor your message to resonate with them. Next, determine your marketing channels. Where do your ideal customers hang out online and offline? Are they scrolling through Instagram, reading industry blogs, attending trade shows, or searching for solutions on Google? Meet them where they are. Now let's talk content. Content is king, queen, and the entire royal court. Create valuable, engaging, and informative content that educates, entertains, or inspires your target audience. Think blog posts, social media updates, videos, podcasts, infographics. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget about the power of storytelling. People connect with stories.
All right, entrepreneurs, you're killing it. Your business is gaining traction, the orders are rolling in, and you're finally starting to feel that entrepreneurial high. But here's the thing, you can't do it all alone. If you want to scale your business and reach its full potential, you need to build a team. Now I know what you're thinking. Gary, hiring is expensive. I'm bootstrapping this thing, remember? And you know what? You're right. Hiring is an investment, but it's one of the most important investments you'll ever make in your business. Think of it this way, your time is valuable. Every minute you spend on tasks that could be delegated is a minute you're not focusing on strategic activities that move the needle, like developing new products, building relationships with key partners, or scaling your marketing efforts. When hiring, look for people who are passionate, skilled, and aligned with your company culture. All right, entrepreneurs, the moment you've been waiting for has arrived. It's launch day. You've put in the blood, sweat, and hustle, and now it's time to unleash your brilliance upon the world. But hold on, before you hit that launch button, let's make sure you're truly ready to make a splash. First things first, double-check everything. Your website, your marketing materials, your product inventory, your customer service channels, everything needs to be in tip-top shape. Next, build anticipation. Generate buzz around your launch. Tease your audience with sneak peeks, behind-the-scenes content, and exclusive pre-launch offers. Get people talking, create a sense of excitement, and build momentum leading up to your launch day. Now let's talk about your launch strategy. How are you going to get the word out? Social media campaigns, email marketing blasts, influencer collaborations, press releases. Explore all your options and create a multifaceted approach to maximize your reach. Don't be afraid to go big. This is your moment to shine.
Creating a small business in the United States requires effort and dedication. But with proper planning and careful execution, you can turn your dream into reality. Remember, entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But embrace the journey, learn from your mistakes, and never give up on your vision. Good luck with your venture and see you in the next video.
The business world is constantly evolving and adaptability is essential. Successful entrepreneurs not only have great ideas, but they also know how to adjust to market changes and take advantage of new opportunities. An effective strategy is to surround yourself with a talented and diverse team. Diversity of thought and skills can drive innovation and take your business to new horizons. Don't forget the importance of resilience. There will be challenges and failures along the way, but every obstacle is an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. It is the result of effort, dedication, and a clear vision. Keep your passion burning and keep going, even when things get tough. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss any content. See you in the next video. Until next time, entrepreneurs, much success on your path.